This machine has been brought by this owner, Cesar Fernandez, correct?
From Sweden.
From Sweden. He has just imported from Sweden. He has done the cleaning of Kolva Creek and he came and showed me a presentation. So I requested him, bring a machine here at his Nalla, clean 100 meters and show us. I called the Honorable MLA of Talegaon because this area falls in the constituency.
Yeah, and we
So that
face a similar problem towards Kamrabad. So we're here now to watch the demonstration and then we'll work out on the costing and take his expertise and help in cleaning the Nalla.
we are temporarily happy to see that this grass, this machine can remove this grass. At least the flow during the monsoon will be better. So after seeing this 100 meters, what demonstration is showing, I will speak to the commissioner and tell him to tender it fast. You know, we let him quote to us. If the quotation is okay, we will tender and ask him to clean.
So it can be done before the rains.
Before the rains.
So we are prepared for the rains and we won't have floods.
We have got this machine and it's from CAFMA Environmental Services. What we tend to do is, it's a need of the hour for our creeks and water bodies. So we have imported this machine and it is very ideal for the Sandinis Creek. We have done one demonstration in Sennabati where we have even shown the panchayat over there what was the condition of the pond and lake we had done and the condition it is now. So as you see over here, it can just not clean the garbage and waste that is there. It can also remove the weeds, water hyacinths, sylvania which is there in the water. It is also can do a minimum amount of desilting. So after we clean it, and if the Panjim Municipal Council wants to even desilt it, we can do this desilting as well for them. So this is a very ideal machine for the situation that we are in right now. See, we cannot ascertain the cost of project right now. The cost of project can be ascertained only when we know what kind of scope of job they wanted to do and get it done.